This is a mountain lion track. In this video, I'm going to show you the difference between the tracks cats like these leave and the tracks that dogs like these leave. The most obvious tell is the lack of claw marks in the print. See, cats have retractable claws, so you won't always see them in the track. The next would be the number of lobes on the main paw pad, 2 on the front and 3 on the rear. This will help you in case you do see claw marks and you're unsure. Last is the toe prints. They are generally more round than species of dogs and wolves. Large dogs and wolves do not have retractable claws, and on the main pad there is 1 lobe on the front and 2 on the bottom. Their toe pads are less round than cat tracks as well. So now you will know if you're about to be eaten by a mountain lion that's stalking you or a feral rabid German shepherd. This message brought to you by Thomas Quinn Survival School, the best train here.